What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is CryptoB signing in with a new cryptocurrency video. This video is all about space mining. In this video I'm going to buy a few terahashes. Maybe I'll be upgrading these 10 terahashes of my mining power to 25 or probably 26 terahashes. So let's purchase few hash power. So this is the place where you buy your hash power. Minimum amount of deposit is 0.0015 bitcoins. So I'm planning to buy maybe 25 to 26 terahashes. I have a few bitcoin balance in my wallet, so I'm going to use up all of these bitcoins to buy the hashing power in my SpaceMining account. So let me copy this, and I think this wallet is going to charge 0.001 BTC as withdrawal fees. So I should make sure to deduct this before investing. Let me paste this and let me deduct 0.001 bitcoins by changing this 6 to 5. Now that should do it. And let me copy this again and send payment with Bitcoin. Let me go to Withdrawal and type in the volume and then the address. Copy that, paste here, and remarks. Let me type in SpaceMining. Alright, 0.01595 plus 0.001 should give you 0.016935. Right. Alright, click next. Let me type in the OTP, which is nothing but the Google Authenticator code, and that's it. I've made a successful deposit, and let me go back to my SpaceMining account, and all I have to do is now wait for the deposit to be completed. I'll be back once the deposit is completed. And here we are. My transaction was successfully completed. I ended up in purchasing 14943 gigahash per second, and it's completed. One more thing which I learned during this purchase was actually you don't need to enter the exact amount which you want to deposit here and then keep this barcode active while you send the bitcoins to this address. Because when I did my payment, I told you guys that I'll be depositing the whole bitcoin whichever I have in my wallet, but I did a miscalculation, and finally at the end 0.001 bitcoin was left out in my wallet itself. But still, even if the deposit amount as well as the amount of deposit here was not same, they instead credited the corresponding mining power for whatever I had sent them. That is a really cool feature of this website. So you don't need to be scared of making mistakes while doing the payment. You can just copy this address and paste it in your wallet and send as much as Bitcoin you want, which is as far as it is above 0.0015 Bitcoin. They will be crediting you the corresponding hashing power of whatever you send here, which is really good. And as you can see here, my 15 terahash extra power has been added to the active mining hash power. And here you can see that the speed of the clock has been increased. When you see the clock before the purchase I made was a little bit slower, and now it's ticking a little bit faster. I think right now I can withdraw this Bitcoin So I'll be showing you guys how the payout works, which might build the confidence inside you that the payout actually works. And here we are. I have 0.0027 and some change of bitcoins. Let me wait until it becomes 0.002795. And yes, so let's give a reload and let me round this off. You have to check the address, and yes, everything is correct. I'm going to submit the transaction. That's it. The withdrawal took place. It's as easy as that. No hassle, nothing. And as you can see here, the number of withdrawals has been increased by one number, and it's very easy to withdraw the payments from SpaceMining. So I have shown you guys how to purchase the hashing power as well as how the withdrawal works. And here my withdrawal, which I did now, popped up and it's in pending status. So I'll be showing you guys if this was a successful payment in my next video. Make sure you subscribe my channel so that you don't miss out my next video. If you guys want to sign up and buy some mining power in this website, I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can go ahead and sign up through my referral link. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video, guys. See you on the next video. Until then, have a safe trading. Peace out. Yeah.